Alright, so previously we've discussed about how to edit your own personal profile. So in this part we're going to discuss about you're going to learn how you can edit other users' profile. So if you want to edit users' profile, you can actually do that, but kindly note that you can only do that if you are an administrator. So if you are an administrator, that is only when you have the ability to edit other people's profile. But if you belong to a later privilege, like the contributor, the subscriber, the author, and the likes, you won't be able to have the privilege to edit other users' profile. So now let's move on to how to edit other users' profile. So let's say we have these two users here right in the screen, and we want to edit this. So if you want to edit the username, if you want to edit this, so you just click on the username, and when you click on it, so here you can edit users. I'm not sure what. So when you click on this, you can decide to change their role from here. So you can change their role from here, or you can decide to change their name. So let's say I want to leave out their last name. I want to change their nickname, so I'm not 500. And you can also decide to display their name publicly as their full name or their nickname. So you can also change their email address from here, and you can fill in other details such as the website, the biographical info, the profile picture, the account management, which includes setting password and resetting password. So those are the details that you can change or modify from here. So if you want to add their website, you can add in their, let's say, their social media link, fb.com/amina508, or you can decide to leave it blank. So you can also decide to write their biography info, passionate about community services. So you can fill in their biographical info. You can also set new password for them. So when you set new password for them, it's going to change their current password to this new password. And in case they forget their password, you can either set new password to them, or you can send them a password reset link. So but because of this, because of the locals I'm using, so that's why I said the email could not be sent, because it's not actually connected to the internet. So once you have done with all of that, you can click on update user profile. So when you click on update user profile, it's going to change all of the settings. So now let's do something now, and so I'm going to set a new password for the user. So I'm not 508. So that's the confirm use of with password, and I have the username. Okay, update user profile. So I want to do something now. So I'm going to sign into the user account. So in the next video, we are going to see how to sign into the user account.